promoter too while in the past. PNP did around the country them time there. And we are PNP DJ. PNP was one number DJ where labor right could have gone away. And it was blood clot, the youth and them Josie where body state labor right DJ. But anyway, go say my shower. Shabba Rankin them afraid to do that.
Alright, so I'm feeling very disrespectful right now. Not disrespected, disrespectful. Check this out. When no phone no come and talk, you see, even through the internet, me have to go so and cock up my nose because I can smell the one bag of shit when I talk. See, the internet is filled with a lot of people who have one bag of something to say. Everybody have big links. Everybody claim to have links to inside situations and know we are going from the inside. Everybody claim to friggin' be a bad man. Everybody claim to want offer your box and chop and stab up and kick up and all these things, and them are gonna beat the block off of you when them see you and all them something there. Listen, man. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. First of all, it is your host with the most. And yo, alright, the video we did the other day about Shabba Rankin and the interview that Shabba Rankin did with Mavado sitting right there, right? Now that me look back and me look at the video there, me have to say Mavado was put in a position where Mavado had to, like, and one of my subscribers said something about this. Mavado is like a child sitting in front of a giant when it comes to Shabba Rankin, even though Mavado is a giant today. This video today is about that video, but this video, keep on watching because how me I talk right now are just the intro. The great legendary Desmond Valentine, aka Blows and Skirt, original gold teeth, front teeth, Dan Gargan, Bob Ninja Man, come on, and Ninja Man has set the record straight. So, all the people here who are coming and talking about like them know everything. Hear it from Ninja Man's mouth, completely. See, and Ninja don't have no reason for lie because I know someone will stay up. Someone will believe in somebody until they start to say things that you don't like. It don't have to be wrong what they're saying, you just don't like what they're saying, then suddenly you don't believe in them anymore. Suddenly I'm gonna unsubscribe from your channel, then blood clot, go on. Suddenly I don't like your I don't like how you do shit anymore and all these things. Because the people that now say what you want them to say, they're actually giving you facts. People who seek the truth have to be open to accept the truth when the truth comes to them. You understand? Me as a man like this, me live my life openly. That means that me might think I know a bunch of things, but if someone come with irrefutable facts towards what I think I knew, and when me know is when me did just believe and it wasn't really factual, and you can back your thing with facts, then I have to go along with the facts, right? So, in this video today, Ninja Man talk, and I'm gonna talk about a bag of things about Shabba Rankin. Remember those statements that were made in the video that I said Shabba Rankin said some things out of the way about him and when they run east, west, north and south and Cartel and whoever else can fight over the rest of our left. People will make you believe say you never hear that like you hear something else. Me rewind the thing and listen to it again. I don't know which part of the video them did I listen to, but I rewind it and I listen to it again. And I just saw Shabba said. That's one of the things that I took up issue with. Another thing we took up issue with was Shabba Rankin rose to great heights in blood clot, the world of music, not just reggae music, and cross boundaries. The man bring back 2 Grammy come to Jamaica. Not one friggin' youth from Jamaica Shabba Rankin boss. Give the fucking limelight to, give the center stage to. I'm not talking about, and a subscriber came on and said some crap about, pardon me, Shabba Rankin used to bring up youth on the stage, little youth on the stage all the time. Elephant Man known for that. They bring up enough little youth on the stage. Not one of them ever bust. Because they bring up people on the stage for gimmicks. They didn't bring up people on the stage and I say, yo, this is my artist. I'm an artist. Not like how Ninja, not like how Vibes Cartel though. Not like how Blows and Skirt, Bounty Killer though. When them say them a bust an artist, you see, them bring the artist, go at them paying shows. And then have the artist perform a full set. Either the artist that right there next to him and give the artist the stage. Ninja Man, Bounty Killer, and Blood Clot, Vibes Cartel does it all the time. And I saw them get them artists out there. Shabba has never done that. Go back and look. People are talking about Shabba Rankin take money out of pocket and give people. As Ninja Man I said, then the little money that when you take out and give people when after you come off a tour, then the money there are nothing to get to people. And some Jamaicans are so hype. you give them $2 little US and them feel say, yes, my general, and go on boss, and you're the big man now, and they're ready to bow down and worship any fucking body that can give them $2 US in them pocket. Hype for foreign things. Ninja man a talk a bag of things, and I want to listen all the points where SouFLoTV get bun out and cuss out for from people that like to worship Grammy and people that like to worship those that fly away and don't give a shit about you no more. It's just like how Alkaline, I don't mean to call up the youth name, Mr. Big up to Alkaline same way, but certain things with him are doing right. So I'm going to segue a little bit and say this real quick, then we get back to this particular video. Alkaline don't really give a fuck about his fans in Jamaica because when last has he performed in Jamaica for any of y'all? You have all these events keeping in Jamaica and never show up yet. I said making go a free show or even a paying show because people are off of paying for perform. But no, missing. So you guys have been trained and taught to care about people who don't give two shits about you. Them there up on the internet I big up Shabba Rankin and Shabba Rankin this and him right for said that and him don't owe nobody nothing and him a film business if him want bust somebody and all these things. That's true. Okay. Be selfish. It's your right to do anything you want to do with your life. You can't just strip a tree bark off and fuck a tree. Anything you want to do with your life and your business that. Do what you want to do with your life. But don't come on national television or on the internet giving the platform that you have and spew a bag of shit. Because everybody knows, well not everybody knows, the group of them, the Shabba group of them, I mean not cut down Shabba Rankin up. I said it before and you hear Ninja Man say it in this video too, him still love Shabba Rankin.
I mean take him up and say, yo, come here, you go on the road. Yes, and you can talk about a bumbo class thing about me. That boy I talk. Look for the competition, gonna go look for the blood class video with Ninja Man and Shabba Rankin clash. When we come out because Shabba name, Bumbo class, Shabba come out and come and chat about say Ninja bow, Ninja bow, Ninja bow. Big bad man like me can blood clad bow. I want to Shabba. Me straight like a blood clad one. And if I know 1, I 11, if I know 11, 111 man can blood clad, then no some little need. I want to Shabba. I post come out and say me bow. In that competition, they are the only DJ in Jamaica when we go from Bumbo class stage. Me never kill Shabba Rankin. Me murder Shabba Pants. Shabba Pants dead. Me no kill him. Me kill every DJs. Me kill Shabba Fancy when me love blood class Shabba Rankin. Shabba Rankin, I want boy to know say no. When them talk about competition, you know, I walk come a stadium through me no want kill Shabba, you know. And that him for know, you know. Hear that? And that Shabba for know, you know. When me go for kill SouFLoTV, me go for kill every DJ. Me never go in the intention to kill Shabba Rankin. And me walk my life and bust Shabba Rankin. And me do everything for Shabba Rankin. Shabba Rankin for members when them wear blood clot cut off foot pants and blood clot broke down clot pants, you know. And me go for him and me put the first 30,000 in a Shabba, you know. Them boy they wicked and grateful, you know. When this man a clock up go walk up a slander me name and a call Brady ever got fuck with. In the pan TV I talk about how many TV cable and lyrics. In the pan TV and in the talk about bad man. Pussy I can tell about this man front east, that man the front west, that man the front. No, can't run away. Me run this. Since you not talk about me bad man. Anyone who come down here, me a murder you know. Pussy will a medium ninja man, lyrical bumbo clad war battalion. And you wanna come lyrical confrontation and that town of blood clad problem. You know when me tell you I'm the problem? And town don't feel like nobody on the run out when next time me a coke, you know, I dead under me blood clad treatment. And I see me I tell you Shabba, I can tell you something like how you're going to get man to pussy. This is what I can tell you. Watch it, me set an example there. Stepping on my size, then go trample there. I tell them, yeah, murder from 1 to 10. You never know the head different on the answer them. Back and come out and me rifle them. Blood a cover in a throat and a rifle them. Cup on the side when it applies to them. Nothing forensic alike to them. Move God. Bullet a trouble from another boy and yam double. Bullet a trouble from another boy and yam double. Bullet a trouble from another boy and yam double. Yam double boy. Hey, Shabba Rankin. You think your blood run through the city? Me no savage boy and I show no pity. Murder informer instigator and lippy. You remedy the crime scene and not pretty. Bloody as a fresh death or what a calamity. Somebody see me, oh, say so, Mr. Lippy. So me shall it for intelligence. Leave the scene in a jiffy. Move. Bullet a travel from another boy. Hey, Shabba, me what tell this? When me kill me not wait in a mass. Think you see it through the chief, them a pass. Rest me not up on the wall and a laugh. Chop them like boss and escape to the bypass. Them no badness, no way toss. Say them a bad man, show them in a dark class. Intimidate everything we walk past. Say them head gone and them hard last Shabba. Bullet a travel from another. Remember me a TV war. Yeah? I want people love me, I go like a bad man. You talk about you tell every youth to wear Rolex. Me take off Rolex and put on your neck. Me take off chain and put on your neck. Shabba, me take off money and put in your pocket. And me take off career and put in your hand. And me take off Grammy and make you get it, youth. I want you. Yes, everything me well no want, me make you get it. If I never me, you could have get Grammy. You have to stop being ungrateful, youth. Man, love your youth and stop with the bad-minded thing. Because I know and tell me now look a friend for you, and I have not what me want. Me rich and comfortable. Me don't know where you have, me know where me have. Me never call you and beg you nothing yet. I mean, I tell you this, me don't have no DJ like you, Shabba. Stop fuck yourself, me now look a friend for you, brother. Me love your youth. Stop the fuck for youth. And that me I tell you, youth. Man, love your youth. You hear that? Until today, dear, a Shabba Rankin, Bojo Bantan, and me top DJ them, Bounty Killer and come carry on my son. You hear? But let me tell you something. You are me DJ, you stop fuck yourself here, you. You don't bad like me in the lyrics, and you don't bad like me in the dance, and you don't bad like me nowhere. The DJ for the woman them, the DJ for the whole world. Stop fuck yourself. Because anywhere you're there, me can be your worst nightmare. Because me not have to come clash up and say, me look at Bill B a tune and you can't give, you're not afraid to war. Because you're afraid of me already, my youth. First mistake you make, you shouldn't clash because you know say you're not clash DJ. When them come to you after me busting I run, you know busy way I glorify for you have Shabba. Because when me say, right now me look for my color, my dance hall, I'm proud of it. Because me say, you want now. Shabba, I'm the first artist on the bus. I am bring 2 Grammy come to Jamaica. Bounty Killer idolize me. Watch it now. Bounty Killer get triple platinum. Blood clot, Cabra say I'm my son. Watch it now, I'm 2 pity them that you know. And watch it now, that Diamond Cabra there. You see then now Spice me next start when me bust up in the blood clot world. She come take over from Lady Son or she her next woman dancer. Where more me want to be proud of my blood clot self. You can see what I want to make me proud. The thing when you can't when I care where you're there, Shabba, I want to tell you. Pussy, you make me proud. Go suck your mama big girl you want to. You make me proud. I mean, not care where you're going to say. And no man, nobody like me. No boy can't see me and lick in my face. And any boy lick in my face. A real thing dog want. Yeah? But me, I tell you this, you. Man, love you. And when you cut out the fuckery. And that's what you do. Because the unity in a dance hall is to build back. I mean, I talk to you because I look a friend for you. I mean, I want none for you. But the way me and Shabba Rankin and Ninja Man used to live. You have to go back and look back and lay down for your bed, Shabba. And remember blood clot when you say, me man, big nasty mouth Shabba and stinking Ninja. And the whole dance no good. Remember Shabba Rankin. Don't throw your stone before blood clot behind your road. Don't dash your seat before you pass the water. Because see man where you pass when you go up and see when you pass when you come down Shabba Rankin. Like you deal like a pussy hole, him a go deal like a pussy hole. Long get to a good hearted person like me, now go treat you like how you treat him. But Shabba Rankin, you have to stop and fuck with you when you have to come. Nobody not hate you, you hate yourself. You have one like you're the nicest and the best blood clot artist. I'm going to show you a chat, you know about corruption. Let me tell you how I'm corrupted. No much artists there from CV, you part with none of them. We have come tell me about. You ever part with Bounty Killer? Eh? You ever part with Elephant Man? Eh? You ever part with Boom Dynamite? Eh? You ever part with General B? You ever part with Nicky Butchie? You ever in your glory ever take up one of them and say, come with me, youth? Them never done there when you have us. Me in my glory, me come for you and say, come with me, youth. I want you, boy. Stop that fuck with the way I do. In my glory, me come for you. None of the artists them will say, them idolize Ninja Man. We don't kill them. We save them. You understand me? Everyone will glorify me. Yes, me walk and try to trample them. Yeah? Me not run from the country to me no want to give people nothing. And play kind to come sometime. Me play kind all the while. So me stay here. You know, I have more opportunity to run like me. And me run with. You hear? I have 15 white baby mother me have. None of my personal women them never with and never Jamaican citizen. Every one of them are American, Canadian or English. We get opportunities not to come back in this country. But the love when me love my people, them, me nah left them. You know love with. I use me if you go on like you know love like a me make you not come here and me not do nothing. You just don't want to give the amount of money where you feel like you have to give it to when you come one time. You have to give enough money. But let me tell you something. People don't want the money from you down here to you know. They want the love of you to you know. And that me I tell you, you have to ease that for that thing you. When man love you, you stop it. Me not play no Jesus role, me to me slaughter. Me tired of you slaughter this now. From 1991, in 1999, me and your clash. and the clash done, and everybody else. Me and SouFLoTV coming like father and son back again. Me and Cabra are father and son back again. The Merciless coming like little Pitney back again. Every one of them, we have family back again. Why you can't turn family? You're too blood clot corrupt. You don't go like say I made me. Me love you. Go ahead. Me care if you love me. I don't care. Blood clot. Me rich. You rich. Me rich. Me now call you for a cup of tea. Me a the younger DJ now beg you nothing. Me do something for you. Pussy tell the people them say me make your name Shabba Rankin. You know make me name nothing. Me make your name Shabba Rankin. And me go take my money and produce your song. You hear?
Shabba Rankin, I first artist in bus and all these things. Nobody not there to cut down Shabba. What we're saying is the man did wrong in the friggin' interview. Some people are going like say just because the man win 2 Grammy and then they have some hits back in the friggin' 90s that in 2016 he can still do no wrong. I don't get that concept either. Anyway, people, well, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe at SouFLoTV, man. And see the video here. I want you to sit down and watch it, and then when you're done watching it, I want you to rewind it and listen to what Ninja Man has said in the video. Hey, and a piece of lyrics there when Ninja Man busting at this about boy and young gravel. Bad, you fuck. Shabba Rankin in them the class then. Alright? So, shots fired. I'm out. Peace.